Good day to all of you present here. I am C.C. Joseph, Director of Fourth Way Foundation, which works on the inclusion of children with disabilities into mainstream government school. And you have Akshita with me, who will be interpreting this in sign language. Let me introduce you to Lakshman. Lakshman is a child with disability who was brought to Fourth Way Foundation as he could not access school or education. Lakshman was one among the 330,000 children with disabilities in the state of Karnataka in India. And out of them, only 1% complete primary education. 99% of children with disabilities don't complete their education, primary education. Which made us ask the simple question, what prevents children like Lakshman from going to school or accessing their right to education? Out of many, our experience shows 5 major components that prevent children with disabilities from complete their education. Starting with mindsets and perceptions, to welfare schemes and social services, to the challenges parents and teachers face, and to what the community puts in front of them. Fourth Way Foundation, over the last 12 years, have been working with children with disabilities and has increased the enrollment of children with disabilities within government schools from the traditional 1% to 21%, which is an increase of 2,000%. Our work within the communities is a testimonial to the success of working and changing the mindset of people. We have the community participation is at the maximum, which helps or which believes in the right of enabling access to children with disabilities. But we find a gap is where the welfare is not reaching the last line, or the gap is in bridging the last mile of delivery of healthcare and benefits for children with disabilities into their homes and schools. We believe the next phase of work will be the need to focus on bridging this gap. If we address this by building capacities at the grassroots, all other challenges of access to education get automatically addressed, and children with disabilities will be catapulted into the schools. We propose a model of online learning system designed to reach 6,000 panchayats in Karnataka. Panchayats are the last line of governance mechanism in India. We propose to work with 10 community trainers in each panchayat. These trained set of community workers will be mapped with children with disabilities within the panchayat to journey with families and schools of children with disabilities, ensuring their social and welfare schemes are availed and supporting their mainstreaming in education. Why the online learning system? In the last 12 years, Fourth Way Foundation has been able to reach 1,200 teachers, 5,000 schools, 500 panchayats, and working directly within the panchayats and schools, impacting the life of 60,000 children with disabilities. This was achieved over a decade. And at this pace, reaching or 62,000 schools within 20 years. That is why we propose an online learning system, a platform which is most cost-effective model in addressing speed and need to ensure that no child is left behind. In a period of 5 years, this project will succeed in enrollment of all children with disabilities in Karnataka into the local schools. We request you to partner with us so children like Lakshman can go to school. Today, Lakshman has finished his primary education. You can partner with us through technology, partner with volunteers, connect us with others who might be interested, partner with hardware, and various other ways which we can discuss in the booth after this presentation. Our ask is very simple. over a period of 5, we can be able to enroll 330,000 children of disabilities into schools. This will be their first step to a future of self-reliance and dreams. Join us.